Hello YouTube, welcome back to my channel. So in this tutorial we're going to go over the zip function in Python. So we'll use the zip method to obtain a tuple of elements within corresponding elements within a list. So that's what we'll be doing in this tutorial. So I'll be using BPython. If you don't know what BPython is, you can check out the tutorial that I have made on BPython and how to go about installing BPython. Or you can also feel free to follow along with your normal Python interpreter. It will be totally fine. So I'll just clear the screen and we'll create a list here. So I'll create a list of let me call it the people that have a name of a person, which will just be a list of names. So we just say James, and then we have another one, Janet, and then we have another name, maybe David. Yeah, let's use David. David, let me sure I get the spelling right. So we have these three names, right? So I'll end that list, and then let's create another list of the ages of these people. So let's go age. So James will be maybe James is 17, and then Janet is 20, and then David is let's say 12. Okay, just like that. So now let's go ahead and actually create another one more list, just called their location. So where these people reside. So location. You can just say location, and then we can just go ahead and actually give a list. So this one say New York City. I'm just using popular cities so that you guys can be familiar. So Paris, and then we can also use London, maybe London. Okay, so these are just a list of locations where these people live. So James lives in New York City, Janet lives in Paris, and then David lives in London. So let's see how we can use the zip method to obtain a tuple of each of these individual people. So you can say let's call it profile, because it will be the profile of these people, right? So we just say zip. So it says zip, and then in here we provide in iterables, right? So the first will be their name. So we want their names to be the first element in the tuple. We want their age, and then we want their location where they reside. So if I run this and I go ahead and I print profile, so I get back an object. So I need to convert this object into I got back a zip object. I need to convert this object to an iterable. So I can say profile equals to lists, and then I'll get this to profile. So do this, and then I go ahead and actually print profile. So run the list. You can see we have back this. So you can see we have three tuples, right? The first tuple, the second tuple, and then the third tuple. So you can see you have James is 17 years old and lives in New York City. So James 17, New York City. Then you have Janet 20 years old and lives in Paris. And then we have David is 12 years old and then lives in London. So that's how we can use the zip to obtain tuples from different elements, different lists. Okay, so when we have a list and we want to obtain tuples, we can use that method. Okay, so I hope you have understood. So what basically it does is that it creates a tuple of the elements of each of these iterables that you have provided. So the first tuple will be the first element of all the lists that you've provided. The second tuple will be the second element of all the lists, like that. So I hope this tutorial was helpful for you and you have learned something from it. So in the next tutorial I'll also make a video on how to talk about unzip. So we have zip, you also have unzip. Okay, so that's what we'll be talking about in the next tutorial. So see you there. If you find this tutorial helpful, please kindly give this video a thumbs up, and like this video and hit the subscribe button for future videos. So thanks for watching. See you in the next tutorial. Keep safe.